This is the sun-fueled bounty from which the shearwaters have crossed the planet. By cheating the tilt, they're able to enjoy the riches of summer the year round. But shearwaters are not the only ones to visit the warming seas. Humpback whales. They've been breeding in the tropics, the only place where they can find food in the quantities they need. Each year, 1 million shearwaters join the whales in these dramatic feeding frenzies. It's one of the greatest gatherings of life on Earth. And it only happens because some whales and some birds have found a way to live in a summer that never ends.